The Superintendent of Police of West Khasi Hills District, Bikram D. Marak, said that the crime cases in this district occur everywhere from time to time. However, he has also said that this could be a positive sign, as it means that people are more likely to report crimes to the police since they have faith in the police. In an interview, Bikram said that there are a number of reasons why crime may be on the rise in the district, but he will not be able to give the specific reason, but crimes do take place in the present scenario. He said that all police units are undertaking various awareness in terms of various crimes, with special preference of POCSO, crime against women and other related crimes. He also urged the public to cooperate with the police by reporting any suspicious activity, and that the police have a 24-hour helpline 112 which can be used to report crimes.
I will not be able to give the specific reason, but crime do takes place in this present scenario. We go through to curtail the crime. That also, the crime, it's a vast subject. We have various hats, like for the special cases are like crime against women and children, where the police, all the police units are out in the field for giving awareness to the people, so that people, when any crime takes place, they come forward and report the matter so that we investigate and can give a justice to the people.
In a significant step towards